a robot guess your age? Or even tell whether you are a boy or a girl? Sounds like magic, but it's actually artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to build a simple AI age and gender analyzer using this cool little robot called Codey Rocky. And the best part, we are using a beginner-friendly coding platform called mBlock 5. Don't worry if you've never coded before. This project is super simple. In this project, our computer camera will look at a face. Then artificial intelligence will analyze the face and instantly tell us two things: estimated age, gender. Let's see how it works. To build this project, we need only three things: Codey Rocky robot kit, mBlock 5 software, a computer with a webcam, and that's it. No complicated electronics. In mBlock, we simply drag and drop coding blocks. First, we activate the camera detection feature. This allows the computer to recognize faces. Next, we add blocks that analyze the age and gender. Next, we add the AI block for converting text to speech, which allows our model to speak the result. And finally, we tell Codey Rocky to display the result. See, coding can be this easy. Now comes the fun part, testing. Let's see what the AI thinks about me. Oh, it says age 21, gender female. Not bad. And then, when button A is pressed, it clears the screen, and when button B is pressed, it resets to guess it again. You might be wondering, where is this technology used in real life? AI face analysis is used in smart security systems, shopping malls, customer analytics, smart devices. And today you built a simple version of it. This is just one of the many exciting things you can build using AI, coding, and robotics. If you want to learn how to create projects like this, join our AI, coding, and robotics courses at Maker's Place. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos